Why do they have to stay on top of each other? They fill the same space. Nico, you're capable of getting your chucho. There you go.
Who's gonna get the chucho? Uh-oh. Why are you unhappy about that? He just gave the chucho for you to grab from him. Okay, Iris. Okay, crawl over to it now.
You can do it.
Maybe he'll push you over.
Nico, you're capable of crawling. Move your butt and get your chucho.
Iris is saying, why are there 2 video cameras going? Okay, now you're looking very cute. You pose for the camera, now you'll go crawl.
There's not a whole lot of action.